Hey there, welcome back to our channel. If you're in the business of selling products or services, you know how important it is to have a winning sales funnel. A well-optimized sales funnel can help you attract leads, nurture them, and convert them into paying customers. In today's video, we'll be sharing valuable tips to help you create a winning sales funnel for maximum conversions. Let's get started. Step 1. Understand your target audience. Before you can create an effective sales funnel, you need to have a deep understanding of your target audience. Research their demographics, pain points, and motivations. This knowledge will allow you to tailor your marketing messages and offers to resonate with their needs and desires. Step 2. Build awareness with compelling content. Attracting potential customers to your sales funnel starts with creating awareness. Develop high-quality content that educates or solves problems for your target audience. Utilize blog posts, videos, podcasts, or social media content to capture their attention and drive them to the next stage of the funnel. Step 3. Capture leads with lead magnets. Once you've captured your audience's attention, it's crucial to capture their contact information. Offer valuable lead magnets such as ebooks, templates, or exclusive content in exchange for their email addresses. This allows you to build your email list and continue engaging with them throughout the funnel. Step 4. Nurture leads with targeted emails. After capturing leads, it's time to nurture them through a series of targeted emails. Develop an email sequence that provides value, educates, and builds trust with your leads. Segment your email list based on their interests or behavior to deliver more personalized and relevant content. Gradually introduce them to your products or services while addressing their pain points. Step 5. Present irresistible offers. As your leads progress through the funnel, it's time to present them with irresistible offers. Create compelling sales pages or landing pages that highlight the benefits of your products or services. Utilize persuasive copy, captivating visuals, and social proof to convince leads to make a purchase. Offer limited-time promotions, discounts, or bonuses to create a sense of urgency and drive conversions. Step 6. Provide exceptional customer support. Once a lead becomes a customer, it's important to provide exceptional customer support. Respond promptly to inquiries, provide clear instructions, and address any concerns or issues they may have. By delivering excellent customer service, you can turn customers into loyal advocates who are more likely to make repeat purchases and refer your business to others. Step 7. Continuously optimize and test. Creating a winning sales funnel is an ongoing process. Continuously monitor and analyze your funnel's performance using analytics tools. Identify areas of improvement, such as high drop-off rates or low conversion rates, and make necessary adjustments. /B test different elements of your funnel, such as headlines, calls to action, or email subject lines, to optimize for maximum conversions. Step 8. Track and measure key metrics. To gauge the success of your sales funnel, track and measure key metrics. Pay attention to metrics like conversion rate, cost per acquisition, customer lifetime value, and return on investment. These metrics will provide valuable insights into the effectiveness of your funnel and help you make data-driven decisions to improve performance. Step 9. Continuously provide value and follow up. Even after a lead becomes a customer, it's important to continue providing value and follow up. Offer post-purchase support, exclusive content, or loyalty rewards to keep customers engaged and encourage repeat purchases. Building strong relationships with your customers can lead to long-term loyalty and increase customer lifetime value. Step 10. Seek feedback and iterate. Finally, seek feedback from your customers and leads to gain valuable insights. Conduct surveys, hold focus groups, or encourage reviews and testimonials. Use this feedback to iterate and improve your sales funnel. By continuously refining your approach based on customer feedback, you'll create a sales funnel that delivers maximum conversions and customer satisfaction. And there you have it. 10 valuable steps to create a winning sales funnel for maximum conversions. Remember, building an effective sales funnel takes time, testing, and continuous optimization. Let us know in the comments which step you found most helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. As always, you can find all the resources and links mentioned in this video in the description box below. Until next time, happy funnel building and may your conversions soar!